Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix disabled ad account on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, right here, if your Instagram ad account has been disabled, it likely stems from a violation of Instagram or Facebook's advertising policies, suspicious activity, or buying issues. So right now, the first thing that you should do is identify the reason for the disablement. Instagram disables ad accounts for various reasons, such as violation of ad policies, suspicious activity, or buying issues. You can check for the reason by accessing your Facebook Ads Manager. Go to Facebook Ads Manager, click on Account Quality in the left hand menu, look for any notifications or explanations about your disabled account. Appeal the decision. If you believe your account was disabled by mistake, you can appeal the decision. How to submit an appeal. Visit the Facebook account quality page, go to Facebook account quality, and find the disabled ad account and check the reason for the disablement. Request a review. If you see an option to request a video review, click on it. Fill out the necessary details and explain why you believe the account was disabled in error. And lastly, wait for a response. Resolve billing or payment issues. So, if your ad account was disabled due to billing issues, such as an unpaid balance or an expired credit card, resolving those issues may restore your account. First of all, go to Ad Manager and then check for an unpaid balances. Update payment methods, and lastly, pay your outstanding balances. Review and remove violating ads. If you want to do that, go to the Ads Manager, review your ads, and edit or delete the offending ads. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.